Well, I got the side secured. Now I'm working on the securing the top. I'm going to do a no glue top, just putting dowels in. Now I've seen a couple. I got my 3/4. This is gonna, I've tried other stuff. The only way I'm going to be able to drill these holes straight is using this block of wood, and I just did that. Drilled them straight, and then I got this one here. I drilled that straight. They got it, other ways of doing this with a block and a. But I figure, you know, if I hold that on there, it's going to be just. That's all there is to that.